What is going on, beautiful people? It's Kristan here with Go Luxury Auto Boutique here in Dallas Design District. And today I have a 2024 Land Rover Sport SE Premium right behind me that you would love to go and experience with us. What is going on, Go Luxury family? This is your boy Kristan here, and today I am sitting in this beautiful 2024 Land Rover Sport SE. Man, this thing is luxury and is very comfortable. Sitting on 22-inch black powder coated wheels that we did ourselves, so part of our black out package. Additionally, with our nano ceramic tint that we put on every single vehicle that we have on our showroom floor. This also comes with a lifetime warranty, which is amazing and immaculate. Exterior color sitting in a Santorini black, along with the ebony black interior, making it a really nice, luxurious premium leather interior, along with heated seats, heated steering wheel, lean keep assist, Apple CarPlay. Man, this thing is just one comfortable SUV. Sitting also with the Meridian sound system that's equipped, making it a luxurious and very sound appealing vehicle. This thing floats as well as rides so comfortably over speed bumps in the regular terrain. It's going to be equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course you can see on your front digital dash and tachometer the full digital display, which is pretty dope, especially if you have your directions and everything like that in front of here. It does have a nice panoramic sunroof as well. Man, this thing takes over and it's smooth as a bell's whistle. It has sport mode, snow mode, hill mode. It has a variety of different modes. That's pretty dope. As you can see, we're riding very comfortably sitting on these 22-inch black powder coated wheels. Let's see how much pickup we got here. Nice little pickup. Man, this V6 is something else. So this vehicle comes equipped with all-wheel drive and an inline six, making it have the power delivery that is needed in order to go ahead and offer a smooth, comfortable, but as well as still uplifting ride. This car does get up and go, especially with the all-wheel drive, averaging about 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 on the highway. Just shy of 27,000 miles. Still comes with a 48 months or 50,000 mile warranty directly from factory and the first date of manufacturer. Still equipped with factory bumper-to-bumper warranty all the way around. Tell you one thing, Land Rover knows how to make a solid vehicle that offers luxury as well as comfort like no other brand does. So like, get up real quickly, that inline six. Man, she moves too. She picks up like no other. So what's really cool about this is that this vehicle is equipped with 360 camera, as you can see right here, and I can pick specifically which angle and which side I would love to see if I'm in bumper to bumper traffic or if I'm over here trying to specifically drive in a tight surrounding area. So for example, as you can see right here, I have a front facing camera, so therefore if I'm going over bumps and everything like that, I can see it precisely. Ideally, I have a 3D view as well, which shows the car as I'm going around in live time. Of course, you have to stay below 25 miles per hour, but this feature, man, it's saving so many people from accidents, debris, when you're in tight spaces, bumper to bumper traffic, to see how much space you have. A lot of people don't understand that the new technology that's captivated in the 2024 Range Rovers are allowing it to be top tier class for all of the SUVs. Here I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use the camera sensing features that are new on the 2024 to do a full 360 3-point turn, making it seamless, and I can see every single piece of the car. It also guides me with knowing the lines and everything like that of which side and how close I am to each individual vehicle, making it very easy to go ahead and nimble and maneuver this big old vehicle. Man, if you could just experience the comfortability of this car, I will tell you, this takes the cake all day. Sure, you have other models that are a little bit more coupe based, but this give me the big Range Rover SE with all the features. It takes the cake every time. Gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little pickup. Oh, and this thing picks up. For an inline six and the weight of this car, it's so smooth and effortless. I could almost want to buy this thing tomorrow, I'm not gonna lie. Allowing it to be also a beautiful tax write-off for all my investors or all my entrepreneurs that are looking for a heavy vehicle to write off for their taxes over 6,000 pounds. And what's really cool is that the lane keep assist is very much effortless. You have it right here on the steering wheel, you toggle it one time and it'll automatically keep you from veering out of the lanes, allowing you to stay straight and focused on the road, which is pretty effortless, especially for those long distance driving. I will say this is the ultimate family road trip car, allowing luxury, premium, seamless experience, and premium luxury interior too. Let's give it a quick little 0-60. Oh my goodness, this thing picks up. Man, I love the sound of it too. It got a little nice sound for inline six. Gotta love it. And here we are back at the Luxury Auto Boutique, parking right in front. to show you guys the 360 3D camera and how effortless it is to park in this 2024 SE. Let's take a look really quickly. Boom. And just like that, we're parked. This is Kristan with Go Luxury Auto Group. I can be reached at 202-590-4336. I'm your luxury expert with everything it comes to luxury and vehicles. And I'll be more than happy to take care of you guys. If you guys have any questions about this vehicle or anything similar to this, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you guys next time.